I'm not a screamer. Do it for me.
How can I stand here and reflect on our 4 years in high school? Thinking about it, there isn't much in our lives that hasn't changed. In middle school, we all did the same thing. We followed our team around all day, and we all did what everyone else did. About 4 years ago, we ended up sitting at a ceremony like this one, only indoors and really hot. Sitting there, we all waited for our names to be called and dreaded having to make that trek up to the stage alone. We didn't want to be different. We wanted to fit in. After that ceremony, our world changed. High school brought a lot more freedom and a much greater chance to be ourselves. But at the time, we only knew that it was different and that it was scary. It was bigger. The other kids were intimidating and loud. We had no idea where our classes were. And who knew that all the freshman classes took place on the 3rd floor? Thanks a lot, Mr. Fauci. And the worst part of entering high school was that there were classes and activities that we initially had to walk to and even sit in alone. With all of this, we've each had the opportunity to broaden our circle of friends and grow as individuals. For most of us, the unknowns of high school now have become familiar routines, and our fears have dissipated for now. In high school, we made new friends. We took different kinds of classes. We started new activities. We got jobs. We started driving, and we became the bigger and louder kids. All of these small but exciting changes have led to a greater sense of freedom. And in these 4 years, something important has happened. We've gone from freshmen that were just trying to survive high school and stay out of the older kids' way to seniors who have done things our own way. We have found the things that we love and work to be the best at them, be it music, drama, academics, sports, dance, or really anything else. We've stopped just trying to get by and began to work at being the best at the things that we love. We've accomplished many things in our time at Valley Central as a class. We've worked to establish numerous fundraisers. We've gone on class trips. We've participated in coffee houses. We've had the most enthusiastic graduation rehearsals on record. We've had some amazing senior events. Everything from powder puff, senior night, prom, our senior dinner, and even this graduation ceremony have been a wonderful way to end our time here. And after all of that, can anyone honestly say that they want to go back to middle school? Back then, we were ready for something different. And the truth is that Valley Central has been great to us. We never would have been able to accomplish any of the things that we have without the help of the wonderful teachers and staff here. But at the same time, if someone were to come up to one of us 4 years from now and demand to see a pass and ask who gave us permission to walk down the hall to the bathroom, we would look at them as if they were insane. As much as we have loved Valley Central, we're ready to try something else. And leaving high school isn't all that different from entering it, except this time, we're not afraid to have our names called. In striving to be the best at the things that we've all tried, we've each lost the fear of being singled out. After this, we will all leave to our individual colleges and lives. Some of us won't know a single person where we are going, and most of us will only know a few. At the same time, we'll be gaining more freedom, more choices of activities, we'll be around different people to become friends with, and will change even more. We'll also have some new responsibilities, but our time here has prepared us for all of that. If we continue to do what we have done here, continue to find the things that we enjoy and work to be the best at them, then who knows what we can do, not just in the next 4 years, but in the rest of our lives. We all have the chance for the new beginning, so let each of us embrace it. Thank you.